Good morning, everyone. I'm headed to go tow a Kia Optima. It's got 2 passenger flats. It should be in a Walgreens parking lot right now. And then we got to take it to Mavis Tire. I'm sorry I've been gone so long. I haven't been trying to be. It's just pretty much every tow I've gone on, there's been people there, and I don't like to record people. I try to get them out of it. But I'll try to do better on that. I know there's a international video, or it's a winch out we did a long time ago that I'm finishing editing. So I should be done with that soon. I'm probably gonna post this video first, just because it's a new video versus something that's old. Then I'll post that out. I should be there in 15 minutes. So I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, we are pulling up to it now. And I already see it. Make sure this is it. Yeah. I brought running boards too, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use them. I'm gonna have to come up a lot more. Because of my running boards, I gotta come up. See if I can get this up. Ooh, that's a big gash. Alright. Let's put her in neutral and winch her up. Go to this side so I can see that. Turn that wheel back straight. Turn back straight again. I'm gonna go to the left. Got a huge gas there. Another one here. I don't know how that happened. So now that I got it up here, I'm gonna change what I got it hooked to, because that's hooked to like the aluminum tow point. It's not good for winching and park. So I'm gonna get the big J's and hook to control arms. Either that. Let's see what I got the hook to. Actually, I'm gonna just strap it. know it's hot out. I think it's been like 90 degrees. I don't know what the humidity is. I'll find out when I get back in the truck. But I know it's probably hot. Well, mess myself up on that one. Should be it. So it's 85 degrees with a high of 95, and the humidity I believe is 80%. Let me double check. The humidity is 69%. So that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.